Before you donate it, throw it away, or leave it hanging in the back of your closet for another year. Take a look at what it could become instead. Today, I'm sharing 50+ ideas for upcycling clothes. And some of these transformations are so creative that it is hard to believe they started as ordinary garments. I found all of these ideas while scrolling Pinterest. And they are filled with inspiration for turning forgotten clothing into something fresh, useful, stylish, and completely unique. One of my favorite things about upcycling is that it encourages us to see possibilities where most people only see old clothes. As you watch, keep track of your favorite idea because I want you to vote for it in the comments and tell me which transformation impressed you the most. I also have a Pinterest board linked in the description where you can review these ideas, save your favorites, and discover even more inspiration for future projects. Some of these ideas are simple and clever, while others are dramatic transformations that completely reinvent the original garment. My personal favorite is number 42, so make sure you stick around to see that one because I think it is especially creative and unexpected. Every item in this collection is proof that a little imagination can go a long way, and sometimes the most exciting projects start with something you already own. Once we reach 100 votes on a favorite idea, I may recreate the winning transformation in my own style right here on MIZ Angela Sawyer. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, start picking your favorites, and let's jump into these 50+ upcycled clothing ideas to see which creative transformations inspire you the most. Creativity often begins with two simple words. What if? Those words may seem small, but they have the power to change the way we look at the world around us. When it comes to upcycling clothing, almost every transformation starts with that question. What if this garment could become something completely different? What if there is more potential here than I realize? What if the story of this piece is not finished yet? The moment we begin asking those questions, we stop focusing on limitations and start focusing on possibilities. That shift is where creativity lives. Many people assume creative ideas appear out of nowhere, but more often they begin with curiosity. Creative people train themselves to look beyond first impressions. They understand that what something is today does not necessarily determine what it can become tomorrow. That perspective is valuable not only in creative projects, but also in everyday life. The more we practice looking for possibilities, the more possibilities we find. We begin noticing opportunities that may have been there all along. Curiosity teaches us to stay open-minded. It encourages us to experiment, learn, and imagine new outcomes. Instead of asking whether something is good enough, we begin asking what else might be possible. That simple change can unlock an endless stream of ideas. Creativity becomes less about talent and more about observation. It becomes a habit of noticing details, making connections, and imagining alternatives. The exciting thing is that anyone can develop that habit. We do not need perfect conditions or endless resources. We simply need a willingness to explore. As you watch these ideas, remember that every creative journey begins somewhere. Often it begins with a single question. The people who create the most memorable projects are not always the ones with the most experience. They are often the ones who remain curious enough to keep asking what if, and brave enough to follow the answer wherever it leads. Once we learn to embrace that question, creativity becomes far more enjoyable. Instead of worrying about getting everything right, we become excited about discovering what might happen next. Asking what if gives us permission to experiment. It reminds us that creativity is not a test with one correct answer. It is a process of exploration. Some ideas work exactly as planned, while others take unexpected turns, but both experiences can teach us something valuable. That is one reason creative pursuits remain rewarding throughout life. There is always another lesson to learn, another possibility to explore, and another opportunity to grow. Curiosity keeps creativity alive because it encourages us to keep looking beyond the obvious. The more questions we ask, the more ideas we uncover. We begin to see potential where others see limitations. We start viewing challenges as opportunities to think differently. Over time, that mindset can transform the way we approach projects, goals, and even everyday problems. Creativity flourishes when we allow ourselves to wonder. It grows stronger when we stay open to new perspectives and new possibilities. If you are enjoying these ideas, make sure to like and subscribe to MIZ Angela Sawyer so you do not miss future sewing inspiration, creative transformations, and upcycling content. Be sure to check out the tutorial videos linked below if you would like to learn new techniques and discover even more creative possibilities. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep asking questions. Some of the best ideas you will ever have may begin with a simple what if. The next great idea could be closer than you think, waiting for you to notice it. Remember that creativity rarely arrives fully formed. It grows one question at a time, one discovery at a time, and one small step at a time as we continue exploring. There's a video on the screen for you to watch next, and I will see you there.